Yeah. Oh,
Even with this, it goes make it.
really cute. Yeah.
Okay. Look, there's a little bowl of a little house on the middle. It's so cute. They're like little sauce bowls or little bowls. They look like that. If I open it, I'll send Lucero pictures.
Oh yeah, and then I'll put them.
Over here.
This is from Nikki. Girl. I'll say that.
I don't think you're meant to knife at yourself. Just in case, you know.
Look how small it is. It's a game. Hold on. There's a letter. So cute.
Oh, the paper is so pretty.
Oh. I love her.
Oh, the color is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so your aesthetic. You can wear a lot of your like outfits. So cute.
Thanks to my Mickeys. Oh, so precious. So precious. So happy. I didn't have it though.
Oh, you didn't?
Oh, actually, I tried.
You upgraded?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, nice.
You like it?
Alright, I'm filming you guys. Where are we at, Lucero?
I'm gonna say it again out loud.
2 seconds.
Yay! We're having barley soup poured by Miss Suzanne.
For dessert.
Yay!
And then, like, hello, test,
Oh yeah.
test. I probably should. And then the little zoom.
Whoa.
The zoom is
Thank you.
No, that's insane. Don't put some fun for
Get those memories. Wow.
What is it? What does it look like, Sooz? What do you show me the picture?
I'm trying to take a picture yet. I don't even know how to take a picture. I don't know if you know that.
I know, but I mean like
What do you know?
huh?
Then what do you know? I don't know if you know that.
Cheers! Congratulations! Did you boomerang? Okay, great.
I love it.
One more time. Start inside.
So this is a really wonderful woman-produced, woman-owned brand from Puebla.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There you go, lady.
Thank you so much. It wasn't like.
Soft, but I bet you got friends on the side of your car. How you walk
Show me the fit.
got me thinking you know you're the shit, though you would never talk about it.
Wow. So pretty.
Maybe we could talk about it. Lost, according to somebody, you just roaming the block, roaming the block. Soft, but I bet you got bones in your closet. Pull up and make a deposit. Pull up and pull up and pull up and pull up and stop. Hey, yeah. Ooh, talking shit from afar. Right, all they do is just bar. They're winning while they end up hard. They end up hard. We gonna stay like a lodge, yeah. They're gonna stay so sorry.
This one is
They're gonna stay so sorry.
Even though that was like a little snake. I'll put it.
She be taking notes, cause nobody can do you the way that you do, the way that you move, you know that it's true. Nobody can match confidence you exude, nothing to prove, you're just doing you. You be looking like it's a walk in the park, and you got it all done right from the start. On the gram you be looking the part, look at the numbers you top in the charts. You got me tripping, be hitting restart.
But I bet you got girls inside of the car, how you walk. Got me thinking you know you the shit that you would never talk about it. Maybe we could talk about it.
Like standing in the rain. And
Lost.
like the matcha whisk.
According to some to you, you just roaming the block.
It's a little something.
Roaming the block. Soft. But I bet you got bones in your closet. Pull up and make a deposit. Pull up and pull up and pull up and pull up and stop.
I already have
The outfits.
David got some out. It's kind of cutie. Okay, number one, that's very cute. Also, I've been wanting to try. It does what?
The pistachio cake.
That's really cool. Should we do another?